Hi, everyone. My name is Yamile Cristina Portillo Moreno. I am a student of course Material Design for Virtual Environments. In this moment, I want to teach you how to use a tool called powtoon. Have you ever wondered how to create presentations with movement? If you had done it and do not know how to create one today, you will turn on. Then the first two things we have to do is open our internet browser. I recommend using Google Chrome. Yes. Later, enter in www.powtoon.com and then go to the loading the page. The next step is to click on create and select the education category and choose a template. This say MuseNav Pro. Be paid to use them. Okay. Now that we have to do is start the edition. For this, I simple sagas. You explore the tools we had: text, sounds, color, image. Also, on the bottom, we had the timeline. Usually, each slide is said to take 5 seconds, but to add more time, we add a more, yes? And to reduce the time, we add a less, okay? We can also add sound to slides. And for this, we clicking on the music now. On the right side, we can configure color, text, add characters. We can add seconds. And then I click play. Well, now let's click on save. Now we have to close the presentation and see how we return to the desktop. Finally, to be published, we will click on publish. Yes, publish. This new box appears. Click on next and fill out this form. We select a category, a title, a description, a new text opens, and here we can see our publication. Thank you for your attention. Bye.